Today's video, I'm going to be telling you about the Roth IRA and explaining it to you. So before we get into the video, please like it and subscribe to get more content. It's 100% free, and at least like the video, at the least. Okay, so if you are under 50 with a Roth IRA, you can put $6,000 in a year. That's the max, and there's no like. You can put as little as you want in, is what I'm trying to say. And if you're over 50, you can put in $7,000 a year. If you open up the Roth IRA before you're 59 and a half, you're going to get penalized. So it's better to wait until you're 59 and a half or older to open it up and start withdrawing the money. So the money that's put into it is already taxed. So all the money you put in after that, though, when you invest it, okay, so when you put the money in and it sits there, it's not doing anything. A Roth IRA, you can put it into like index funds. I haven't seen inside a Roth IRA because I haven't opened one ever, and I don't plan to for a while, but I'm assuming they would allow VTI and VOO. I don't know what other ones, but make sure if you have a Roth IRA that you're maxing out, don't forget to invest it or you're gonna keep losing money to inflation. You have to remember to invest it when you open it. So if your gross income is $132,000 as a single person, you cannot put the full contribution in. I believe I said that right. I'm sorry if I didn't. And like I said, there's no required distribution, and the traditional Roth, which is different than the Roth IRA. Okay, the Roth IRA that I'm talking about has no restrictions on when you have to take it out by. It's just 59 and a half when you are able to. And the traditional Roth, you have to start taking out by 70 and a half. And if you don't, then it's not good. So yeah, that's all in this video. I hope this helped, and I hope you have a great day, and subscribe like I said, and like the video.